This is our binocular microscope model, Ecostar Premia. This comes with 30-degree Siedentopf of binocular head, 4 objectives, which is 4x, 10x, 40x and 100x. Double plate mechanical stage with dual slide holder, coaxial coarse and fine motions, and 3-watt LED light. Next we have condenser with rack and pinion motion. Now I'll show you the result of this Ecostar Premia microscope under 4x. This is the result with 4x objective, 40x objective. This is the result with 40x. Now to check 100x, we need to use this oil, which we call it immersion oil. Just drop like this. This is the result with 100x.